When we talk about digital transformation, public administration figures among the most challenging subjects of this phenomena. These agencies are usually referred to as slow movers and bureaucratic. But as the world becomes more digital and moves faster, they inevitably have to adapt. When public organizations go digital, we have a double challenge, as both public employees and citizens now need to carry out tasks using digital resources. Challenges vary from employees who have worked in the public sector for ages and are used to doing things a certain way, many times with a lot of paper, to citizens. Among them, we have different profiles, which include elderly people who are often not used to digital resources and are now forced into sending requests and forms online. How then to make the digital transformation of public organizations a smooth process for all involved? Newired can help you in this mission. We provide a user-friendly authoring environment for non-technical people to easily design and create the guides, announcements, tooltips, polls, and other content that will be implemented on your web application and available in context when it's needed by those who matter the most, the users. Journeys, one of the products by Newired, are step-by-step tutorials which guide users through the completion of any task on web-based software. Our Newired journeys can assist users during simple and complex tasks alike. Let's look at one example of a journey for VitalCheck, a public portal used in the United States where citizens can request birth and death certificates and marriage and divorce records. We'll follow users through the request for a birth certificate. At first, you need to select who this certificate is for, yourself or another person. You also need to insert different data: name, surname, city, and state. Users also need to sign, submit forms, see prices, and select the shipping method. Due to the complexity of this request, it's easy to make mistakes when submitting it. With Newired, the user is never left wondering or abandoned somewhere in the process. Doesn't matter if they're acquainted with web portals or online requests or not. And finally, they can submit the request, even if this is the first time they've used the portal. This was just one example of how Newired can help citizens get by with the digitizing of public services. It can also be very useful to public administration employees who are now expected to perform their jobs using diverse software. Citizens and employees alike perceive it as part of the service portal system. And unlike cloud-hosted solutions, Newired provides governments and public organizations with the important and secure option for the hosting of our platform and data, on premises, under their control. Newired offers you a safe, low-cost way to help citizens and employees use your portals. Contact us today for more information.